Imagine a drone so small yet so powerful, it can see through walls, detect hidden threats, and track targets silently in real time. Meet Ghost X, Israel's cutting-edge micro drone that's redefining surveillance and intelligence. Today, we're uncovering its secrets and why the world is watching this tiny technological marvel. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating innovations in modern military technology, the Israeli Ghost X micro drone. This tiny flying device is not just a drone, it's a surveillance powerhouse that fits in the palm of your hand. Ghost X has been designed to provide real-time intelligence in situations where traditional drones or cameras simply can't reach. With its advanced sensors, ultra-quiet operation, and extreme agility, it's revolutionizing how information is gathered on the battlefield. We'll explore everything from its design and capabilities to the strategic impact it could have worldwide, whether it's monitoring hostile territories, performing reconnaissance in dense urban environments, or assisting special forces in critical operations. Ghost X is proving that size doesn't limit power. By the end of this video, you'll understand why military experts are calling it a game changer. The story of Ghost X begins with Israel's decades-long focus on miniature, high-tech military solutions. Israel has consistently led the world in innovative defense technologies, and Ghost X is the latest addition to this legacy. Designed by a secretive division within Israel's defense industry, the drone combines nano-engineering, AI-assisted surveillance, and cutting-edge materials to create something incredibly compact yet highly effective. Unlike conventional drones, Ghost X can navigate through tight spaces, slip into buildings undetected, and gather data that would be impossible with larger UAVs. Its development involved collaboration between top engineers, cybersecurity specialists, and military tacticians, ensuring the drone could survive extreme conditions and provide reliable intelligence. The result is a micro drone that's versatile, resilient, and almost invisible in operation, the ultimate stealthy spy device. Ghost X is tiny, lightweight, and designed for ultimate portability. At just a few inches in length, it can be deployed from a backpack, a soldier's hand, or even launched remotely from vehicles. Despite its small size, its materials are robust, capable of withstanding high winds, rain, and even minor impacts without losing functionality. The drone's rotor system is engineered to minimize noise, making it almost impossible to detect audibly. Its sleek, aerodynamic body allows it to maneuver in tight corners, around obstacles, and even through windows or vents. Some reports suggest its wings or rotor blades can fold or adjust for compact deployment, making it incredibly versatile. In essence, Ghost X combines the portability of a pocket drone with the performance of a high-end surveillance device, making it ideal for covert operations in situations where discretion is critical. The real magic of Ghost X lies in its sensors. Equipped with high-resolution optical cameras, thermal imaging, and infrared sensors, it can operate in full daylight, darkness, and even through smoke or low visibility conditions. Its AI-driven navigation system allows it to identify and track targets autonomously, avoiding obstacles in real time. Some unconfirmed sources suggest Ghost X can even detect movement through walls or thin barriers, giving operators unprecedented situational awareness. These sensors work together to create a multi-layered intelligence picture, allowing forces to plan and execute operations with precision. In comparison to traditional drones, which rely heavily on line of sight and GPS, Ghost X sensor suite ensures it remains effective even in GPS-denied or electronically jammed environments. One of Ghost X's standout features is its stealth. Unlike conventional drones, which are often large and noisy, Ghost X operates almost silently. Its minimal radar signature and quiet rotor system allow it to slip past enemy detection systems undetected. This stealth capability is not just about sound or radar avoidance. It extends to visual discretion as well. Its compact design allows it to blend with its environment, making it extremely difficult to spot even at close range. This stealthiness is crucial for missions where exposure could compromise soldiers or intelligence operations. Essentially, Ghost X is built to spy, observe, and gather critical information without revealing its presence, which is a revolutionary step in micro-drone technology. Ghost X isn't just a camera on a rotor, it's an intelligence system. Its onboard AI allows for autonomous flight, obstacle avoidance, and target tracking. Operators can pre-program a flight path, and the drone will navigate complex environments on its own, adjusting to unforeseen obstacles in real time. This AI integration reduces the need for constant human control, freeing soldiers to focus on strategic decision-making rather than piloting. The drone can also recognize specific targets, track movements, and provide predictive analytics, giving commanders a huge advantage. This level of autonomy combined with stealth makes Ghost X an indispensable tool for intelligence gathering, especially in high-risk or urban combat zones where traditional drones might struggle. Ghost X has already reportedly been deployed in several military operations. Its primary role is intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and tactical surveillance. Special forces can use it to scout enemy positions, assess threats, or monitor borders without putting human lives at risk. In urban warfare, it can slip through windows, vents, or alleyways, providing a real-time video feed to commanders. Its size and maneuverability mean it can get into areas too dangerous or inaccessible for humans or larger drones. By feeding critical information directly to operators, Ghost X helps plan missions, monitor hostiles, and prevent ambushes. The combination of stealth, intelligence, and autonomy allows for rapid, informed decision-making in the field. The arrival of Ghost X has significant strategic implications. For Israel, it means maintaining a technological edge in surveillance and intelligence. For other nations, it raises concerns about the proliferation of micro-drone technology in military operations. Ghost X represents a shift in modern warfare. Small, intelligent devices replacing or supplementing traditional reconnaissance methods. Its ability to operate undetected, gather detailed intelligence, and assist in tactical decisions could redefine how conflicts are managed, especially in urban environments or dense terrains. Militaries worldwide are likely paying close attention, not just to its current capabilities, but also to the potential upgrades and future generations of this technology. While Ghost X is already impressive, the potential for future enhancements is enormous. Miniaturization of components, better battery life, enhanced AI analytics, and improved sensor accuracy are all likely areas of development. Some experts speculate that future versions could include swarm technology, where multiple drones operate in sync to provide complete situational awareness across a battlefield. Integration with other defense systems, such as missile detection, electronic warfare, and tactical command networks, could further enhance its utility. Essentially, the current Ghost X may just be the beginning of a new era of micro-drone intelligence and surveillance capabilities. Ghost X is proof that small devices can have an outsized impact. It combines advanced sensors, stealth, autonomy, and versatility into a package that's reshaping modern military operations. From urban warfare to border surveillance, it offers capabilities previously thought impossible in such a compact form. The drone demonstrates Israel's innovative defense strategies and sets a new benchmark for global intelligence gathering technology. As micro-drones like Ghost X evolve, they will play an increasingly central role in both military and civilian security operations, giving operators unprecedented access to real-time information in critical situations. If you you found this deep dive into Ghost X fascinating, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more cutting-edge tech insights, and comment below what drone technology you think will change the world next. Don't miss out on the future of surveillance and defense.